everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I want to come in and share with you guys this little small little handheld little photo insert thingy. I forgot what the name of it was called, but I wanted to show you guys that. And the star of the show are these dewdrops. You have the diamond shape dewdrops. Oops. I don't need to be losing any. I'll link these in the description bar. The little diamond shaped ones, as well as just the regular dewdrops. Alright, like so. Alright. So I want to share with you guys how I made this quick project, and it opens up. You can see I just made the trim, the dewdrop, them like a trim, and then I used my Creative Time bow on top, and then I put Velcro to open mine. And then when you open it opens up like such, and you can put your photos, and it has a pocket in here. Now, I didn't come up with this. This has been around for quite some time, but I did want to show you how I did it so that I can have a reference on my channel as well. And this is a Bow Bunny, not Bow Bunny, Basic Gray, an old pair from Basic Gray that I use. And it just folds up like that. See, like it fits in the palm of your hand. And I know I've seen these I got inspired off of Pinterest for this. And I know I've seen videos on it. I think, excuse me, Paper Phenomenon did a tutorial on them as well. So what you're going to need, 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. Okay. So you're going to need, like I said, one 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. On the 8.5 by 11 side, you're going to score it 2 7/8, 5 3/4. On the 11-inch side, you're going to score it 2 7/8, 3, 5 7/8, 6 1/8 to make the 1/4 inch space, 9 9 1/4 to make the other 1/4 inch space. And once you do that, I mean, like I said, this is so easy. You're going to cut it out. It's going to look like this. Okay? Now, all I did on here was on the 8.5 by 11 side. This is your flap, which is this. That's the flap. I just rounded the corners on this one. And you're just going to cut out these sides. And you're going to cut out all of that. And if y'all need some more detail, just let me know. But it's, like I said, this is so easy. Once you line up the cardstock, as you can see, I've lined up the spaces. And all I did was, as you can see, go and cut that piece out all the way. Cut out this piece all the way. And you want to just cut out these notches up to here where they intersect. Just cut those out on each side. And then to make the pocket, you cut them out on alternate sides if you want to do it that way. And just cut off half the sheet for the pocket and glue them down. And there's your pocket. Like so. So easy. So, like I said, this will be my pocket. Flip it over. That will be my pocket. Flip it down. That will be my pocket. Glue it down. That. And then boom, boom. It looks exactly like this one. This is just the thin Michael's cardstock. Alright, so that's it, you guys. I really just want to come in and do a video. See how you guys are doing. Hopefully this made sense. Like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.